What's up guys, PizzlesTechTime back again with another video, and today I've got something exciting for you. As per usual, I've got the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser. It is a piece of technology, it's a little off base of what I usually do. It has a lithium ion battery, so you can take it out to your car, you can use it on the upholstery or carpet in your car. Every purchase that you make out of that $70 is $5 of that is going to go to the Bissell Pet Foundation. So hats off to Bissell, that's pretty cool. So let's get straight down to the unboxing. Why don't we just get a little tab right here. Open it right up from the side here. And got some instructions and warranty card. Put to the side. Got your standard charger, looks pretty light duty. If you go down below, give you the little bottle of Bissell Oxy Stain Removal. I believe there should be another one at the bottom here. Okay, now you've got the unit here. Wow, pretty big. So, take that out of there. So it looks like the tank removes somewhere over here. Interesting, okay. Tank removes right there, and you fill it with the liquid. It goes right back down there. And these are the brushes. It seems to have two different, there's a dirty water tank, and then there's the tank that you fill up with the liquid. So this, I believe, is the dirty water tank, and this is the tank that you fill up with the cleaning solution. And here's the charging port right here, and it has a nice green rubberized grip here, so it doesn't slip out of your hands. Wow. There is some kind of priming liquid on there or something, because when I pressed that on, something started coming out of it. So it squirts out water, and then you scrub it, and then I guess it sucks up the dirty stuff. Maybe. I guess I will have to check that out. But I thought the brushes might move, but the brushes are just stationary. So this thing's quite odd to me. I thought it might heat up or do something, but apparently it's just a battery powered water shooter. Oh, we've got the other bottle of cleaner here. To be honest guys, I expected a little more for $70. Press front of unit firmly against surface and pull forward to remove cleaning solution. Okay, so it does suck up the cleaning solution, so that's pretty cool. Now it also says window cleaning. Wow, select models. So apparently I didn't get the window cleaning model. Damn it. Damn it, Bissell. You can't just give the window cleaning model to some people and not others. Now, I'm gonna have to look up this window cleaning and see how well that works. That is interesting to me. So we're gonna see how this works. So I'll see you back in a moment. So ever since I moved in, there has been this stain right there on the carpet. It's not really like a super stain or anything. It's just just like a weird looking stain. It's almost like looks like a shadow, but as you can see, it's there. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to eliminate it with the Bissell stain remover. So I have in my hand the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser, as we unboxed earlier, and the power button is right here. So once you press this power button, you're able to shoot out the liquid, and it comes out right here. And then you're also able to suck it up and brush it with this stationary brush. The brush does not move, it's stationary, so you can kind of get in there. I'm gonna spray it on this stain, kind of cover it up, and then I'm gonna go right over the area, brush it a little bit, and then suck it up. And then after it dries, I will show you guys again, and we'll see if the stain is still there. Now I've actually used this already, and if you look there, you can see that this thing actually does get up some dirt out of the rug, as well as stains. This is a really cool little rug cleaner, and once you get the carpet wet with this cleaner, it's able to suck up a lot of the dirt. It's going to get a little noisy here for a sec, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this general area, and then I'm going to clean it up real quick. So I'll see you in a moment, alright guys? So press the power button right here, start it up. Let it sit in a little bit, let it spread out a little bit, let it get down deep into the pores of the rug, you know? This tank doesn't last very long. It's a small tank. This is not like a full-size rug cleaner or anything, but you know, you do want to get in there, give it a little bit of a scrub. It actually sucking up the water there. So now guys, I'll give you a look at the actual vacuum here, and you can look at the dirty water bucket here, and you can see that it actually is, you know, doing some cleaning. Look at all that. Now the battery is showing it's about halfway, and I, you know, didn't really do too much cleaning. But you can see that it did pick up some dirt there from the carpet. So after that dries, I will show you guys the spot, and we'll see if it took away that dark stain. What do you think, Camilla? What do you think? Say hi. Say hi. As I told you earlier, I went over the stain with the carpet cleaner, and I'm actually pretty happy with the results. I will come over here and show you the stain. It's not like 100% better, but it is a lot better. And now, like I said guys, this was actually a dry stain. I'm not even sure what it really was. It was dirt. It was actually right here. I don't know if you can still kind of see it a little bit right there. But it is a lot better. You can barely see it. So I'm actually pretty happy with it. It really doesn't look like much anymore. So in the final results of this Bissell pet stain eraser, I think it's going to do a really good job with actual pet stains and everything. As long as you get to that stain, you know, fairly quick. So taking another look at this actual machine over here, you can actually see that it sucks up so much dirt from the rug. It's amazing. It literally is amazing what this little machine does. Now, because it is like a little handheld, almost like a wet dry vac, the battery doesn't last insanely long. You're only going to get about 10 to 15 minutes powered on. But it is quite amazing. And you can see just all that dirty water in there, what this vacuum does. It sucks that right up from the rug. And it doesn't just take stains, it takes dirt. Like I said at the beginning of the video, $70 is quite a big ask for it. But I like it. I think it's worth it if you have a lot of carpet. I'm also going to try it out in my car, so I'll let you guys know in the comment section how that goes. So we'll give that a shot, guys. So I've just woken up this morning. It's a snow day. So if I come over to the window here, I can actually show you real quick outside what it looks like. I don't know if you can even see. It's just crazy out here. Pretty crazy out here today. It's just insanity out here. Can't even open the door. Crazy today, guys. Got the day off because of all this snow. Alright guys, this is the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can follow me at PizzlesTechTime. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Snapchat, I'm on Instagram. You can follow me at PizzlesTechTime. Thanks for watching. Remember guys, I'm here for you, so if you have any questions, just ask. I'll answer all comments, so be happy to answer any questions that you have. And I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video. I love making them. Thanks a lot guys, and I'll see you guys later.